Hello everyone, what's going good in your world today? I hope everything is going alright. So in relation to me, I can complain because life is treating me well. Or if I just said, I'd like to complain but no one listens, who will listen to me in this world? Because I feel like the whole world is against me. So I'm sorry, forget about this, but don't forget what we are going to say. Don't forget about what we are going to say. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to pronounce some words. These are specific words for birds. So the question now will be, what is your favorite? So what's your favorite bird? So what's your favorite bird? In relation to me, I think my favorite bird is pigeon, or my favorite birds are pigeons. I love them. And also pigeons and sparrow. Okay? Sparrow, pigeon. Okay, let's get started with our words today. So this one, okay, I use also this flashcard because I'm working as an English teacher, and this makes these matters easier. Okay, birds. So birds. So these are birds. They have many colors, by the way. I don't know which one. Maybe we have ostrich, we have owls, we have many things. So let's get started. Oh, this is the first bird. So this is parrot. So pa. It's a plosive. Pa, a, oct. Parrot. So the plural for this, just add s to make this word plural. Parrots. I love parrots. The second one, oh, we can call it sparrow. And this is bird. Just add s to become it plural. Birds. Okay, here bat. So have you ever heard about the Batman? So bat. Bat, not parrot. So parrot. This is bat. Okay, bats. Just add s. Okay, we have this. Crow. Just add s to make it plural. Penguin. Penguins. Just add s to make it plural. Here, eagle. Just add s to make it plural. Eagles. We have here peacock. Just add s to make it plural. Peacocks. So parrot, penguin, peacock, and also we have bee, bat, bird. Here, falcon. Here, ostrich. Just add es because it ends with ch. For the plural, we will just add es. Ostriches. Here, o. If we have a word which ends with too similar here in front of you, too similar what? Too similar I don't know, to similar letters, just to pronounce one, just gull, gull, just add s to make it plural, gulls, gulls, gulls. Swan, 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 just add s to make it plural, swans. Owl, 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 just add s to make it plural, owls, owls, owls. Woodpecker, 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 okay, woodpecker. The last word is quail, 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 okay. I have, just before I forget something, which is falcon. We have another word which is hawk, hawk, hawk. To make it plural, just add s, hawks. We have one, falcon and hawk. Thanks a million for watching, and bye for now. See you soon.